Hey guys, today we're going to be putting some facial masks on, and it starts right now. We have a special guest today.
What's up, everybody?
I had to do some extra nudging with this one.
Oh yeah, she did.
So we just left church and your girl's face is like dying of dehydration. So I talked him into going to the grocery store and picking up some different variety of masks, and I talked him into doing one for you guys.
Yeah, usually nothing but oil goes on this face, so subscribe.
Subscribe for more, like really. We do this all the time and we have fun with it. I'm quickly going to remove all this makeup and add some toner to mine in his face, and we'll be back. Alright, so the brand of products that we chose for today is Freeman. I'm sure you guys have all heard about Freeman. If you have not, let me just do a quick breakdown. The company started in 1976 in Los Angeles with a nature line of facial masks and dry shampoo, and then in 1989 they expanded to a foot care. Now they have facial masks for men, the Freeman Feeling Legendary facial mask.
Yeah, I wish I would have known that before we bought all these, that there was actually one for men.
In 2016 they launched Freeman Beauty Infusions, which is a line of serum-infused facial masks with natural botanicals and beauty boosters.
Guys, I'm gonna try one for the ladies. How about that?
Isn't his voice like just...
Wow. Let's not do that. No.
Which one are you wanting to do?
Alright. Well,
Which one are you wanting to do?
I think the one that I'm gonna pick is this one right here, so I can show all you ladies how I look at work every day.
What is it? Explain.
This one right here is a charcoal plus black sugar mask.
Ooh, does it really have black sugar in it? It does. It has black sugar, helps hydrate skin and smooth away roughness. Perfect for normal to combination skin. It has Dead Sea minerals that have a nourishing effect and boost smoothness and overall skin health. So this is definitely going to be good for a mechanic's life right here.
Yeah.
Me, on the other hand, just looking at these colors, I'm like, yes, with the pink. So let's just see what this one is.
She just picks pink just because she loves pink. Look, she even has me in pink now.
Right?
I wear this for my mama though. So.
Okay, so this one is a rejuvenating cucumber plus pink salt. That one has black sugar in it, so we're gonna be doing some scrubbing today. Let's just get right to it. Alright, so we've pushed them all down, all the product, so that we can rip it open. It's hard.
Good thing I got cat reflexes. It smells a little sweet. It has a little bit of a sweet smell to it, but it smells like shampoo-y, I guess. It kind of smells. It smells like it's gonna clean my face for sure.
Okay, so.
It's the only way you can tell if it's.
Oh
sugar.
my god! Smell it.
Whoa, that one smells good.
Right? It smells like I just cut open a cucumber.
Let's just have a little bit of fun, huh? Let's just start putting it on.
Okay.
Here we go.
Alright. Remember, like, keep it away from your eyes if you can. I'm just noticing how little my face is right now.
Compared to mine.
Right. Like, I just did one little, and I still have some left over. Like, I could legit cover my entire face with what I just got. Oh, I feel
So is this like actual mud? Because it says mud mask. I mean, is it actual mud or?
No, I don't think it's mud.
I mean, it doesn't feel like mud. I put mud on my face, I think, when I was a kid.
No, because, you know, mud is dirt. You know, I wouldn't. They do have mud, you know, masks that it's actual mud, but no, I think this is just.
Are you supposed to like put it like underneath your eyes or something?
Just like this. Just like that.
Oh.
You don't want to get it too close, because you might, you know, blink and then it's in your eye and then you're messed up for life. Okay, make sure that you get like this though. Down your nose. No. Are you putting it in your beard?
I think, I don't know, yeah. I'm putting it wherever. I mean, it's a mud mask. Let's get the cleansingness on the beard. I mean, because you figure, yeah, there's still skin underneath my beard, so.
Okay, I'm done.
I am done too. So now what does it say the next step is on this, please?
All it says is apply over dry, clean skin, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on 7 to 10 minutes or until dry. Add warm water and massage gently to exfoliate, and then rinse. Use twice a week or as often as needed. We're not going to be able to show you how we take it off because it does say that to add warm water and rub it in to exfoliate, and that will create a big huge mess, so we're not going to do that. But just looking at these packages, let's talk about them really quickly. I have rejuvenating cucumber and pink salt clay mask,
and I have the detoxifying charcoal plus black sugar mud mask. I have one question though, now that we talk about that. Do you know what the difference between a clay mask and a mud mask is actually?
Well, it says the main difference between the two is that mud is a skin healing agent while clay is a cosmetic drying skin agent. Clay masks are most useful for someone who has oily skin and is prone to breakouts of acne and blemishes. Mud is water-based, so the product in mask form is more hydrating than drying. It says to leave it on for 7 to 10 minutes or until completely dry. So I'm not sure how you're going to be able to see that mine's dry. You'll be able to see that his is dry because it'll turn a lighter gray. See, it's already turning light gray right there.
So we'll be back once our faces are dry.
Okay.
We'll be back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes. Mine is almost completely dried down. Like, I can feel it really tightening.
So is mine.
His on the other end is not. This mask is definitely not for people with hair on their face. As you can see, it's not drying down on his beard at all.
At all. So I advise keep it out of your hair.
Yes.
But I think you guys already knew that. But yes,
know
right now my face is feeling very, very tight.
Does it feel really tight, like around your nose
Yes,
and
it's
stuff?
starting to feel tight on this side of my face really bad. Like, and my forehead is starting to feel really, really tight also. So, yeah. How's your face feeling right now?
Like, my face is burning. You can see I'm fanning myself. It's not hot, like it's not burning like ow temperature. It's like a minty, but it's like overwhelming.
Yeah, it is kind of this side of my face still has that really cool sensation where it's still wet, I guess.
Yeah.
Because this side of my face is still burning, but this side of my face feels just like stiff. So
Yeah.
I've kind of got a dual zone thing going on right now. It's kind of
I can't even smile, look.
Yeah, good night that much. Hi guys. Thanks for watching this video.
I guess the only thing left to do would be to wash this off.
Yeah, let's go ahead and wash this stuff off our face.
Yeah. And we'll be back with our final thoughts.
We'll be right back.
Alright, we are back with our final thoughts. Babe, what do you feel? Like, what was your experience while washing it off?
My face, first of all, feels nice and refreshing. When I washed it off, I actually felt, I could definitely feel like the little grains of sugar or whatever it is. You could feel that coming off. It felt nice and refreshing. It does burn if you get in the eyes, so keep it out of the eyes, ladies. Trust me, you don't want to get in your eyes. It felt really good. It's nice and refreshing. It felt good to get it off my face. What about you, babe? How did it make you feel?
Well, again, I felt the pink salt. I had Himalayan pink salt in mine, and scrubbing it was amazing. I felt like I was shedding off 5 years of my life.
5 years of dead skin, huh?
Right?
Wow, that's
The
a lot of dead skin.
smell, like afterwards, it's so refreshing. Like the cucumber smell isn't so strong, but it is still there, and I can still smell it like on my fingers and like right here on my nose.
Yeah, I could definitely still smell the charcoaly, shampoo-y smell that I was smelling when I opened the bag. I can still smell it too. But.
And I just realized this product is not tested on animals.
Ooh,
A+
yeah.
in my book. High
No
five,
testing
babe.
on animals. We like that here.
Yes,
At
yes.
Touched by Heaven, that's for sure.
Oh, yes.
Faux shows.
Alright guys, we have reached the end of the video. I wanted to remind you guys that on my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, which will all be linked in the description box, I am going to be doing some of these on Snapchat as well as Instagram, so please subscribe, follow me so you don't miss the fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Remember that your comments help with the growing of our channel and we appreciate each and every one of them. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.